Let's swap and let's see.
Let's swap.
Jeez. Oh, what a difference.
Yeah, no, this is
grouse.
this is a little bit heavier, that's for sure, just a touch.
I'd prefer to fit one of these. What a difference. That's grouse.
All right, today we're here with Mario from MB Motors and we're fitting the new Ultra Flywheel to our Subaru STI.
All right, Jules, so why would we want to fit a track with an Ultra Flywheel to a customer's car?
Okay, so firstly, UniClutch Track, while it is track in name, it's definitely still a really nice driving, streetable product. And yeah, we find them to be really nice just in drivability, even in stop-start traffic. But then obviously, we've done a lot of development, going out to do track days and that kind of thing with the product as well. And they can take the strenuous activities of track work too in various different disciplines. Coupled then with our Ultra Flywheel, the main benefit is that lack of a friction surface, as you can see here. What this means is because the UniClutch product is a sealed product, the friction surface is inbuilt into the UniClutch core, and we're not relying on the traditional flywheel friction surface anymore. What this allows us to do is make a flywheel like this that's ultra lightweight, which provides better MOI, which is a moment of inertia. And it gives us a unique feature to fit a wide range of Subaru applications, including our VA STI in the background. So whether you've got a pull type, Subaru, WRX STI, Forester, we've now got a solution in pull type. And we also have a solution in push type for vehicles that have maybe had a clutch actuation conversion that some manufacturers do offer. Another good thing from your perspective, as a mechanic, is that if you go and fit a new flywheel, you're just taking the old one off, fitting a new one up. You don't have to wait for it to be machined, sending it away, tying up hoist time, that kind of thing. So it's kind of a win-win in that regard.
So what we've got is more torque capacity out of the clutch, less weight out of the flywheel, so a better product in the end.
That's exactly right. Overall win-win.
Yeah, so I think we should install it.
Let's do it. So we've just pulled the OE flywheel out of the car and we're going to weigh it now to see what it weighs as an assembly.
Oh, what a bit of a weight in here, I don't want to smash the glass.
So the OE flywheel with the OEM clutch comes in at 18.5 kilos for this particular assembly. We're now going to try the OEM flywheel with the UniClutch Track. This is going to be specifically getting the torque capacity that the UniClutch Track can offer, and also a weight saving because it comes in at 16.5 kilos. But now if we want to get a true weight saving, we can try the Ultra Flywheel and UniClutch Track and see what that weighs. So let's do that now. Ultra Flywheel, UniClutch Track, we're at 11 kilos.
A massive difference between OE flywheel and the Ultra Flywheel. Massive. But I think it's going to work well.
Yeah, I'm really looking forward to actually driving the car and seeing what it feels like underfoot, both clutch and accelerator, because I think it's going to be great. UniClutch Track plus Ultra Flywheel equals a massive weight saving over OEM. Is the ultimate solution if you want something that's got a high torque capacity and also low weight option for your Subaru and various other vehicles.